Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I wanted to make this video today to talk about clearance and some really hot deals that are taking place right now where two register rewards are printing for certain P&G products. However, the first piece of business I do want to address is this. Now a lot of us will get a $40 basket, get these two boosters to stack, and it's easy peasy. The experience I had yesterday around 2 o'clock was I did a $40 basket, and guess what? The RFN number, which is your transaction number, vanished. Vanished out of the system, is not in the app. They did an app update, but my RFN number vanished. I posted this on social media, and a flood of you were saying you were having the exact same issue. And there is something written on the receipt saying it takes up to 3 to 5 days to appear on your account. But I mean, if you have to wait 5 days for your Walgreens cash to appear and your RFN has vanished, it's just very suspicious. And they did that app update. So I think everything is just up in the air right now. So I'm not showing you my $40 basket because you know what? I'm having issues now where I have like $25 vanished in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where it is. And I don't want you guys facing that exact same thing. So like, it's just a big mess over there. And if you go on my Instagram or in my community post here, tons and tons and tons of you had the exact same experience. And a lot of us, just to walk away from $24, that's not happening. So it is just a weird thing. So I'm not going to show my basket, and I would recommend until they fix this or get the app update fixed to just wait on this. And there are better deals this week, I promise. I also did want to point out that I was getting a ton of like error messages too in the app when I was trying to do just the most basic things. And then some transactions, things were perfect and they were listing perfectly in the app. So keep an eye on this. If you didn't get your Walgreens cash, customer service will probably say you got to wait 3 or 4 days. And then 3 or 4 days, they're going to get like a million calls. But it's just one of these things. I'm going to be cautious for the rest of the week. And in celebration of Halloween, our resident Black Cat here wishes you all a very happy and safe Halloween. And he's also asking if you can give this video a big thumbs up. It would really help out his mom's video. And this is my cat, Pumpkin. And he's currently out looking for cigarettes or candy. I don't know. The first part of the video let's talk about is 90% off clearance. It's always a year, mileage may vary, but here's what we have. The first two items is the bag of the Lindor truffles, and it's in the birthday cake flavor, that flavor only, and the Tate's Southampton pumpkin spice cookies. Both of these items 49 cents. If your store is not tagged clearance and asks for a price check, you might actually hit the mother load. And at my couple of stores near me, somebody cleared these two specific items completely, including an employee who had a whole bunch of them under her arm in her Walgreens outfit, buying them at checkout. And I just looked at her and I'm like, nicely done. I didn't get a single one. She bought all of them. And that's the breaks of clearance hunting. I was a step behind her and I missed it. Okay, so let's talk about what I did find and the tags I was finding. We have the Ferrero Rocher Dark Hazelnut Tablet for 49 cents. That looks like a really nice item to throw in for Christmas, and the whole display was empty. But I did find a bunch at a different store that was non-tagged. And I also found the Sprite Tic Tacs for 49 cents. It's a larger container. And the dollar moon pies were 10 cents. So a very good price point as well. So this was my humble little basket at a different store. So just to show you guys what the packaging looks like, it's a dark chocolate Ferrero Rocher. And this was 49 cents. I believe the rest of the chocolates were not part of the clearance. So this is the one that I grabbed if you like Ferrero Rocher. I thought this would make a nice little stocking stuffer or something small to throw in with a Christmas gift. And then we also have these Sprite Tic Tacs. So it's a flavored, I think it's like summer carryover. And they were 49 cents from $3.99. So not a bad little price point. And they were on an end cap right towards the front of the store. I'm sure a lot of stores, this is just not tagged. And the final food item that I found was the Moon Pie Pumpkin Spice. And I didn't buy all of them. There was a whole bunch there. And they were 10 cents. For whatever stupid reason, Moon Pies is a product I always find. I never find those Lindor truffles. I always find nothing but Moon Pies. But I'll still take it. I think, Thanksgiving, you give everybody in your family one of these. It's themed. It looks like you made an effort. Throw it in with the Tide. It would be a nice little gift. Maybe not right beside the Tide, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, and we also have the Scuncy on a side cap, and 49 cents, so 90% off. Certain hair products clearing out, and 6.99, little summery sort of like bows and stuff, also 79 cents. So these would make really good stocking stuffers, cute stuff. I wish they had more hair ties, but I didn't see them, so hey, it's okay. And then with Halloween today, on November the 1st, which is Wednesday, probably a lot of the Halloween merchandise remaining items will be 50% off. In past years, I've seen it go 70 right away. I'm sure they want the room to put Christmas stuff on display, but if Halloween is your thing, I would definitely head out there on the 1st. Okay, so this register reward, I believe, started printing yesterday, which was the 30th, 3 days of spooky sales. So 30, 31, and the 1st. That's my understanding. I might be wrong, but it should be printing today for you guys. And if you're buying $15 of P&G, you're getting this guide to print. I did deals where I was just rolling Walgreens cash, and I was getting these two to print for one deal, and the other one I just got one of them to print. But hey, a deal is a deal is a deal. So the first deal, I just want to show you guys, I grabbed 4 Dawn products, 2 of the Easy Squeezes at $3.99, a larger Easy Squeeze at $4.99, and then 1 Power Wash at $4.99. So 4 products altogether. Why am I buying 4 products? Because they are on this promotion that when you buy 4 of them, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. And yes, all 4 of these are working with it. So just to give you a jog through the store, I picked up a Power Wash for $4.99. And then I also grabbed 2 of the cheaper Dawns at $3.99. You still get a good amount of dish soap in there. And then a larger one at $4.99 because there's a 75-cent digital. See the one that says $6.49? It's not tagged at the store. That was working with the digital coupon. So you're going to load the following. That is a $2 off for the Power Wash. And we have also a 75-cent digital for the larger Dawn Easy Squeeze. It's not going with the $3.99, only the $4.99 one. Okay, so here's the breakdown. 2 $3.99 Dawn Easy Squeezes for $7.98. The larger one for $4.99. A Power Wash for $4.99 for a total of $17.98. You have $2.70 in digitals coming off. $15.21. If you might have a $5 register reward from a different deal, throw that in. And then I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, and you're going to get back 2 $5 register rewards. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay for this because I personally did it, and my 2 register rewards printed for me. And here are the 2 little friends that printed for me. So I am like so delighted with this, and like what a super duper deal. And I mean, fantastic. Okay, so the second deal that we have is with the Gillette and the Venus, and we went with the Venus as well because it's the cheapest in the line, and they are to buy 2, get $8 back in Walgreens cash, and one is a BOGO 50% off. Now, we only have one $3 digital, so you're going to load this guy. And just to throw this out there, if you wanted to do both the Dawn deal and this deal, you'd have to do 2 separate transactions to get that $5 register reward to print for you twice. Here's the math for this, guys. A jumble of a Venus and a Gillette razor for $18.73. Subtracting the one $3 digital, pay $15.73. Get back a $5 register reward and $8 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.73 for the 2 or $1.36 per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I did, and I got back my $8 in Walgreens cash and my $5 register reward. So as this coupon is only 3 days of spooky savings, get out there and make these deals happen. I mean, cheap Dawn, cheap razors, cheap everything. And be really cautious if you're doing a booster basket because I faced issues and many of you did as well. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.